The idea behind OSQuery is basically an SQLized view of the Linux operating system, or of course Windows and the Mac. But, for the purposes of this blog, we are going to be only focused on Linux, and that too my laptop runs Ubuntu 20.04. So basically, I'm going to be talking only about the OSQuery commands that run and show the various aspects of the Linux Ubuntu operating system. It's not very different in other operating systems because it exports as the standardized SQL interface, which is all too well known for all of us. So let's begin and use the OSQuery I tool, which is the interface to the SQL database that OSQuery has implemented. By the way, OSQuery is from Facebook and it's widely used. It's open source and has a lot of acceptance in the hacker community and even amongst many businesses. So let's take a look at all the tables that are exported by the OSQuery interface. As you can see, there are quite a few of them, around 100, and we are going to look at only some of the commands that are of interest from the SOAR point of view. So let's say something like select star from users limit 10 is of interest to us because it gives you the people that can log in, but we are interested only in people that can log in. So this has a lot of no logins. So let's say to filter that out, but before that we're going to do one more thing. We are going to change the output mode from the default pretty to the column mode. So, and we are going to, as you can see, OSQuery supports the readline interface, so which is why I'm able to select the previous command by pressing the up arrow or Control R. So here I'm going to say select star from users where shell, right? Shell is not like, or let's say a shell that has no login with it. Not like model, yeah, the ones that can log in. There you go. So these are the real users. As you can see, some of the users are not real users, but that's the way it is. And if you want to look at the processes, so let's say the select star from processes order by dot time limit 10. There you go. So as you can see, there are quite a few fields here, so we are only interested in path, name, path, and command line. Something like name, path. This video was sponsored by Query.ai. You can use Query.ai to run OSQuery on any endpoint from a browser. See https://query.ai and contact at Query.ai today.